Hey guys, what's up? Chris with Kelley's Garage. Welcome back. Today is an update for all updates. Today we're headed down to Redeye Racecars to check out the Redeye build. It's been 17 weeks so far. Still not ready. It's been a long wait. So they've been making some progress. So we're gonna go down there, check it out. I think today we might go get fitted for I might go get fitted for the seat. And then we'll see how it goes when we get there. And you know, it's always a pleasure to hang out with Mark and Rachel. Yeah, and then we'll get down there and we'll see what's up and see where we're at. Oh, if you haven't seen it already, we just launched our website. We've got our shirts up there. Send it. We got a bunch of other stuff on there too. So really cool website. Check it out. And here we go.